Hi everyone, I hope all of you doing well and staying safe. So as I reflect back on this semester, I am able to look back at the very first thing that we did, which was the multiple intelligence and learning styles test and the Myers-Briggs test as well. I was able to find out that my main intelligence type is intrapersonal. That's the first time I hear that, and it makes sense because I'm able to be self-reflective and just analyze things internally with my mathematical mindsets. It just everything comes down to logic, and even though sometimes that could be a struggle, right? Trying to think logically and then thinking with personal feelings. I find that in the workplace, or as I did my coaching experience, I was able to get better as I went through the entire process of my coaching experience. I was able to just listen and see how I can support the two teachers that I was helping, and I was able to just look and be reflective on my own style as a coach. The next thing that we took a look at, which was in week 2, the collegial coaching personal reflection. Doing this, early in the semester allowed me to set goals for myself when it comes to my coaching experience. It also allowed me to look at myself as a coach, and what I need to work on as I just had one or two meetings with my two coachees, and as I read the readings, I was able to see how I can be best effective in helping out and supporting the two teachers that I was helping, and how my mindset and with the Myers-Briggs and the multiple intelligence and learning styles test really helped out. And then we had the video on the OER Commons. This right here, this presentation, really opened my eyes to the different resources that there are. I've never heard of the OER Commons. It's a totally digital library where you can either sign up or just use it for free, and use all the resources that they have, search anything that you want to search up, use it for classroom settings, use it to share with colleagues, use it to even share. I even use it to share some information with my coachees on better practices with technology in the classroom, for peer review, for communication, and things like that. So if you haven't gotten a chance, I do encourage you to go check out the OER Commons. It's really great. It's amazing. But other than that, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for a wonderful semester. Your feedback, it's been amazing. Even though I wasn't able to answer back all of you, I still went back and read all your comments. So thank you so much.